Have you ever heard the term hardscape before? Well, you're looking at it. And hardscaping your property to look like this can be, well, easy. Check this out.
With hardscaping, there's really no limits. You can do things to add curb appeal and value with something as simple as your driveway. Hardscaping is just like it sounds. It is hard materials used that we incorporate with your landscaping. So that can be anything from a paver driveway to patio, outdoor kitchen, outdoor fireplace, anything that enhances your outdoor space.
From driveways to patios, fire pits to pool decks, hardscaping with these beautiful products can make your outdoor living spaces your favorite place to hang out. And with a little help from technology.
Our corporate office is in Atlanta, Georgia. We have a team of designers up there where we send the information that's needed for the design. They turn it into 3D renderings back for our contractors and homeowners. Well, the benefit to the client is they're able to see what's going to happen before any kind of work begins. You're making an investment in your home and you want to spend time in outdoor living. The best part about it is the design studio is seeing what it's going to be and really being able to envision yourself and your family enjoying that space.
When doing hardscapes and outdoor living, you don't have to have a ton of space. We've had so many clients who, have a little bit of an area to do patio, and we're able to make the best use of that space. So they can really, have multi-function. They can have little parties or little get-togethers. Even in a small space, you can really do a lot.
Cornerstone Solution has been paving the way for homeowners in the Jacksonville area with rave reviews. The owners work hard to make sure every job is done right.
Quality control at Cornerstone Solution, we're involved in every step of the process, from the initial estimate where we talk with the homeowner about what it is that they see for their space and what we have available to them. We go through the design and we really tweak it until they're happy with moving forward with the design. We have 2 owners in the company, they're both owner-operators, and they are going to be the first and the last face that every client sees with their project.
So the Belgard Quality Control, we have manufacturing sites around the country. We use the finest materials to produce the highest level of product that we can, and our machines are very good at producing a high quality product.
Yeah, the hardscapes are really maintenance free, but in order to keep the best look for the longest, we do recommend sealing them, which is another service that we offer. It also comes with different finishes, and it helps protect the look and the surface of the pavers to last a lot.
No matter your taste or budget, from modern to traditional, these hardscapes are worth exploring.
Return on your investment with outdoor living products is very high. Depending on what you do, as more and more consumers are looking to enjoy their outdoor living spaces, it varies in how much you're going to get back with your return on investment. But the numbers are very high.
People usually see, when you look through the catalog and you see so many options, you think, oh, there's no way I would be able to afford that. But there is a little something for everybody. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to go big all the time. There are wonderful ways that we can really enhance your space doing smaller features that feel like a really big deal, because they are.
The end result is your family, the homeowners, really enjoying the space. Outdoor living just gives you another area of your home, another room to go out and enjoy, to entertain and make memories, make happiness with your family and friends.
Outdoor spaces can improve your quality of life in a lot of ways. It provides a space that you can be in your space and relax and enjoy your silence and the ambiance of your home or your space, or enjoy your family and friends.
For more information about Cornerstone Solution, visit cornerstonesolutionllc.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.